Welcome back to another interesting tutorial for beginner guide on how you can make payment for bulk order on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and proceed to my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. After you open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you search for product and add a product to cart. If you don't know how to search for product, consider to check the video out on my channel. I have made a lot of videos, step-by-step tutorial on how to add products to cart on 1688. After you are able to source product and add the product to cart, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and proceed to your cart right here. So I'm going to click on here now and proceed to cart. So all the products you have in your cart is going to be found right here. Now to do bulk payment, what you need to do is to select each of the products you want to pay for one after the other from different seller. So select on them one after the other. So I'm paying for this also, and I'll scroll down, I'm paying for this. I'll scroll down, I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. And I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. And I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. Paying for this. I'm paying for this, and I'm paying for this. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Next thing I'm going to do is to review all the products right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see everything right here. So once you are correct with everything, next thing you need to do is to proceed to checkout. And for that, go ahead and click on here. I'm going to click on here right now. So just like so, I'm paying the sum of 629.70 yen to purchase all the goods. I'm going to make use of my Alipay right here. You can either use MasterCard or Visa card, but in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on here to proceed to payment. Allow the Alipay to connect. Go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the transaction. Payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make a screenshot of this part. So I'm going to screenshot this part. Then having made a screenshot, I will go ahead and click on here to close this bumper. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on my profile icon right here. Then refresh my profile. All the products I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see them right here. It's that simple from the beginning to the end right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and send a proof of payment to someone that asks me to pay for them on 1688 on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to assist from here now. Go ahead and open up my WhatsApp, and I'll go ahead and select on this contact right here. You can see you can pay for this. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here and then bring out the proof of payments and say payments made. It's that simple. So you can see my chat with this particular person right here. This is the other video before we make payment, and this is when we are trying to collate and work on the links sent by this particular person right here. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So if this is exactly what you want me to do for you, you want me to pay a Chinese supplier on 1688, Pinduoduo, Taoba, Alibaba or AliExpress, or JD.com or Shenyun Chinese shopping app, or any Chinese app our website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship import products from China using 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.